Oh, it's range day. Thursday, it's beautiful. It's gonna be a little warm. There's some clouds in the sky, but man, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Look at that beautiful flag in the background. It's gonna be a good day. So I've got some friends showing up today. A buddy that I met in a class, or actually 2 classes I've taken now. His name's Kelly. He's coming out today. Wanted to do some training. May have Mike come out from Green Ops. I think his kid starts school next week, so I may not get to see him this week, maybe next week. Today we're gonna focus on some transitions and then a little bit of movement too. So still 3 targets, 2 locations with a reload, and then I think a 3rd location too, so we can work on moving backwards and forwards from different angles. So should be a fun day.
You set the standard, and
I'll do a little slow on the first one. The idea is to get better during the day, right?
I start out really hot and then fall apart. We'll see what happens.
Two, 3-8, first shot, 1-3-6. $897, down 0, down 0, down 0. $897 is the time to beat, Kelly. That looks good. Down 0, down 0, down 0. It's right there. What was your time?
8:48.
8:48. What was your first shot?
158.
158. That's some good shooting. So I'm going to do Kelly's way. It's the Kelly drill. It's the Kelly drill. 1, 2, 3, reload, 3, 2, 1. Six, 6, 7, 159 first shot. I feel like I threw a couple. Down 0, down 0. Woo! What happened there?
Like it was a pop, 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 and then you reloaded it.
28, 41, 23, 38. Yep, 16. 216 reload.
Right.
Yep.
So
I think that was index shooting.
4.5, 5. So that's.
Yep.
That should be indexy.
Yeah. Yes, it's officially called my way. $951, down 1, down 0, down 1. Ah. 279, down 1. 234, 253, down 0. 236, down 0. 264, down 0. Down 1, 233. 262. Off balance. All right, Kelly, show us how it's done, brother. So point,
Right.
beep. I'm not gonna brake the first time, or I'll do 3 without breaking down.
Like I have to actually aim at that thing. Grip breaky one.
I'll edit that one. .302 is total, 262. So now I'm breaking down.
Right, you're gonna, oh right, there's no draw. You're here, and then you're gonna break and print, and then come back together.
Okay. .243. 26130. 258. A little faster
than that.
Yeah. Well, that's fun to do. I'm glad we did those. I'm gonna get another one in while you're reloading. Zero, zero, zero. Down 2, 3, 647. There's the break. 730 is probably my comfort zone. 647, that's a second faster, almost a second faster. Nice, Kelly. All right, backwards, Kel. Let me get in on one of those.
Is there a mandatory mag change here?
Take 2, cut that out. .80. Man, that feels awkward, doesn't it? Doesn't that feel weird shooting like that? No go. .47. .55. .53. Down 1. 50. Just missed down 1. 50. 55. So your 5.2, 5.5 were those just left?
Yeah, because I overdrove it and I just basically squeezing the trigger as I came in.
Well, then you slowed it down after those two, and it was a 6.2 down 0.
Yeah.
So you're actually increased 0.2 by pushing to 0.5 and coming backwards to 6. You see what you just did? Let's do different angles. Let's do 3 ups, 3 compresses,
And then
3 wankies, wanky wamples.
I like the wanky ones.
Okay.
My gut. That's really sloppy.
How about 3 compress ready?
So
0.37, 0.55, compress ready. Ooh, just missed it. 7.1, miss. 8.9, down 0. 7.4, down 0. 6.5, wonky. Oof, way past it, 9.3. 8.5. 8.6. 7.7. 6.7. Smooth. Yeah, boy. Two 6.6. Woo! Down 0. Clean. $9.65. $12.04 making up a shot, and I still missed it. All right, I'm recording. So what's your final takeaway from your training session?
I need to learn to combine skills together. So I can do each thing individually, like pretty well, and then when I go to put them together, it all slows down and falls apart, as seen by making misses at like 10 yards.
So it's bandwidth?
Or concentration, right? Because it's basically like the step out and draw is one thing, put 2 shots on and lead. I don't need to think about like, I gotta do all that at once, because then it gets really slow, and then it gets slow.
Yeah.
So I'm not, and I'm actually pretty happy with that.
Yeah, your headshots were good.
To be honest, I mean, like I'm down 1 on that a lot, but like I'm not missing the head. Right, you notice neither one of us like dipped out of the head box, so that's pretty cool.
Have a good day. Good day shooting.
Yeah.
Do it again. All right. I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah,
man, that was fun, man.
Like you put a lot of work in.
Oh.